Good morning folks, welcome to the garden. The bike stand set up on the patio. We're going to be doing a modification to my Triban RC500. Welcome to the vlog. Just a few essential tools and a cup of coffee. Let's get on with it. You all know, or those who watch these vlogs know, my ability at climbing hills leaves a lot to be desired. Currently running on the Triban an 1132 rear cassette. Now I've toyed with the idea over the year, or discussed over the last year, all sorts of different ways of getting lower gearing on the bike. Subcompact chain sets, oval chain rings, all that sort of stuff, but I've decided to keep it economical. We're going to change out the rear cassette. Yeah, we're going big. Firstly, let me apologise about the state of my garden bench. It is going to get replaced with another one come the springtime, but we're going to have to make do with this. So what we got here is a small unboxing, if you like. We have got an 1140. Okay, this, because of the nature of the bike, the Triban is an economical road bike. I'm keeping this economical because this is basically an experiment to see how good it is. That's why I'm doing it to the Triban and not the Planet X, because I don't want to. We're getting into winter and most of the riding will be done on the Triban, so there we go. So we're keeping it simple, we're keeping it economical. This is a Sun Race. Turn it over. This is a Sun Race 1140 cassette. Got a new chain, a new 9-speed chain, all the way up, KMC 9-speed chain to go with it. And also what we need most importantly for this job is it's called a road link. Basically what this enables us to do is to drop the rear derailleur low enough so the chain clears the big ring. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take you through the installation of this big cog. First job I'm going to do is split the chain. Find the quick link, which is there. Really grotty chain. It should snap. There we go. And out. Can save the quick link, although the new chain comes with a new one. This could be handy if you just keep it in your saddle bag, just in case. There we go. Right, first thing, I need to take the quick release off. Get them somewhere where I don't lose the bits. There we go, bang it on the bike. So, locking ring off. Like so. Don't need that anymore. And off she comes. There's the old. You just need to give this a bit of a clean, and what I don't do is spray direct. I don't spray anything silicone or anything like this directly onto the mechanical bits. I just spray it into a rag or a towel. and then just give it a wipe the muck off. You'll notice that because this is a 9-speed, this is a 9-speed cassette on these, there's spacer ring. Don't forget to put the spacer ring back on. We'll end up with all sorts of problems. And that's giving that a nice clean, and this goes on in a certain way. There we go. Also got a little bit of red grease to smooth around there. Don't need massive amounts. Just a bit. Right, now for the best. Oh, now for the best bit. Let's put this big mother on here. Right, one day. There we go. There we go. There we go. There it is. And the locking ring. Plenty of grease in there. I'll put a little bit on. Just a tiny bit around the outside, wind the threads. Doesn't have to be a lot. Yeah, just using the tool, finger tight, so you get it right. You don't have to screw it up tight. That's in a minute. There we go. Now, okay, so we have not got. I've got a torque wrench, but I ain't got a torque wrench to do this up, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to just go with the flow in a good old-fashioned way. Normal strength, you can feel that you don't need to do any more than that. And I'm probably going to get hung, drawn and quartered for not using a torque wrench, but I haven't got one. I've got a small one. So tough. Anyway, right, so that's the cassette on. Now what we have to do is the chain. I was getting a bit ahead of myself on the last bit. The next piece is not the chain, the next piece is the derailleur. The rear derailleur we have to take off. There's no real need to undo any of the gear cable or mess with that at all. Just undo its mounting. We're going to be putting, I'll show you in a moment, just leave that to hang. Be the right way around. In front of the camera. Line key. If it goes the right way around, it will locate on the stop on the derailleur. Sorry, on the hanger. I've got the wrong sized Allen key. The Allen key. The Allen key for the road link is bigger than the Allen key for the derailleur. So there we go. So this, yeah, as I say, this will locate on the hanger stop. Okay, I don't think there's no. There we go, we've got that. And then it's simply hang the derailleur back. But again, I do like to go round and, yeah, look at this, there's even bits of wend wax still on here. I've cleaned it up. Right, I'm going to put a little bit of red grease back on the hanger bolt, sorry, on the derailleur pivot bolt. And we shall see how it goes in. Now I've got to be careful with using the Allen key to find its bit. There we go. If it's fine doing it this way so it finds its threads, but if it feels tight, don't put any pain on it. You've cross-threaded it. This is feeling just right. I'll get this back on. Hopefully it shouldn't need any adjustment whatsoever. And there we go. No torque setting on that, so I can just paint it. Road link fitted, rear derailleur fitted. Now it's time for the chain. Of course, you need to buy a new chain because you're going to need more links, and obviously the old one would have stretched a bit anyway. So I'll talk more about the price of the bits later when we've got it all set up. Let's get on with the chain. There's several ways to measure whether you've got the right length or not. Again, just do it old school. I'll show you that in a moment. I should have opened this up before we started filming. Right. Woohoo! Nice shiny new one. What we made sure of, well, I just made sure of, is you want the front changer over the big ring. And the way we're going to do this is more complicated and mathematical ways of doing it. There's also a simple way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it over the big cog at the back, over the big ring at the back, through the front mech. Let's just hook it on there so it can drag it through the front mech. There we go. And what we want to do is, without it going through the rear mech, right, pull this round. God blimey, this is only just enough teeth on this. Right. So we need to take it, because we're using the quick link, we're going to go back one, and we're going to break it there. Right, so we're going to take that out, because we're using the quick link, we want both ends the same. Okay, like it is there. So yeah, you just tighten it up so it pushes the pin out. There might be a, yeah, there we go. All the way, because we don't really need it in. There we go. Another click. One goes in that side, and then we want opposing the other side, like the other end, like so. And what happens now is we join them together. So you see the pins go through these slotted areas on there, and basically there's just a bit of pressure pulls them into place. Sometimes you have to put a lot more pressure on than that. Right, so now what we're going to do, put it back on the front inner ring. Hold on a minute. And this is where we find that we're going to be. Right, let's oh dear me, we've got some rubbing going on. Right, I've seen the problem. What Nige's gone and done is that that's chain's supposed to pass behind that. Okay, yeah, easy mistake to make, and I've gone and made it, and that's what all the rattling's about, or probably the majority of the rattling. So I'm going to disassemble that. So that one, and we go the same again as we did before. That's it. Is it going to pull together this time? I bet it don't. No. Right, there's an easy solution to this, a bit of pressure. There we go, it's gone together. Just that little bit of pressure pulls it into place. So, now that we've got the chain the right way around, oh look, no rattling. Stop rattling with it. Look at that. You go right up onto the top one. There we go. No messing about with the stop at the back. No messing about with the gear cable. Next stop, a big hill. Just as one little addition to fitting this, the chain on the biggest ring has to leave a gap to clear the jockey wheel. What I haven't had to do at all is adjust the stop. That's back on in its proper place, but if you had to, if you found that was catching, you'd have to adjust it on the stop at the back, the stop bolt. But yeah, as I said, this is economical, this is done economically. I didn't want to spend a fortune on a cassette. The road links are ridiculous amounts of, ridiculous money if you go for the proper road link. The road link, the Sunrays cassette and the KMC chain is 55 quid, 55 pounds sterling on eBay. Absolutely cracking. I've seen road links at 30 odd pounds, which, come on. Anyway, that's done it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, if you like. Wish me luck on the hills. Let's see if I can climb better. I'm looking forward to it. If you haven't subscribed, then please do. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below. Take care, enjoy your cycling, wherever you get up to, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Up a big one. Bye bye. Still here, still watching, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps no end. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, click here. In the meantime, stay safe, enjoy your cycling. I'll see you in the next vlog.